So one of the most interesting things that I learned today that was outside of the classroom is just the importance of the internet.
I think the demonstration about DDoSing and also how to take open source data and using that to find out all the information that you need to prevent and mitigate security issues and breaches.
We got exposed to Maltego today, which was a really cool open source intelligence gathering tool, which I've definitely heard of, but I've never actually seen demoed in the way that it was today.
Life cycle for data breaches. I didn't realize that it was actually so long. One of the numbers that stuck out to me was about 800 days before the common person would know that their data was breached. And so that just makes me want to go put my phone in a blender, as one of the people said earlier.
I thought the first talk that we had about cybersecurity was very interesting, seeing how they're able to connect all of our information online.
That's why I really enjoyed going to this conference, just because I learned so much more than I would in a classroom setting, because the classroom setting is the fundamentals. This is breadth of knowledge.